Today is October 11th, 2023, and Oliver and I have been walking, I don't know, last 30 minutes or so. I think we started at 10:30, and we just sprinted up this hill in our backyard. There's our house, this is the back 5 acres. Jim's out watching the chickens so that I'm able to walk. But we need to get outside, get sunshine, listen to a podcast, either a sermon or something on nutrition. But yeah, we need to walk. These are my grounding shoes that Jim got me, so they don't have a rubber sole. So it's pretty much like I'm walking barefoot, but I have shoes on. So you're getting the grounding benefits. So we need the morning sun in our eyes. It's good for anxiety, depression. The Lord made it. When I was working for the state of California, shout out to Sonia and Rosalie that are still there. I hated being upstairs on the 8th floor. We couldn't open the windows. You could go out on the balcony, but I just craved fresh air back then. And so on my lunch and my break, I would go walk. I'd walk all over this downtown Fresno, the city blocks. And so, and then I would also walk when I got home. For a while there, I joined a gym, and I would get on the treadmill. I didn't really like that because I craved being outdoors. And so I remember when my nephew was, 5 or 6, he would spend the night, and I would make him go for walks with me. And he's now 20, so I walk whenever I can. Sometimes I forget and I only get a few thousand steps, but we should really aim for 5 to 10,000 steps per day. I am fasting. I'm fasted, so not hungry. I think I'm going into a 48-hour fast. At 2, it'll be, 48 hours. So it's just to be closer to the Lord and also for health, And so the Lord made our body so beautiful. We can heal. I come from a really sick background, diagnosed with lupus, severe migraines for 7 years. I was told my organs were going to fail. I couldn't be out in the sun because I would burn. It was because I was eating crappy processed foods. And now we do butter, we do beef, we enjoy eggs, anything that the Lord made. I love sausage, the occasional bacon. You can do salmon, oysters, and any kind of sauce that I want. I use butter as a dipping sauce. Melted butter. We've been using sea salt for the last 20-something years. So yeah. On that note, have a blessed day. Get outside, get your vitamin D, and just walk if you can, or just sit in the sun. So, and in the meantime, we're praying for Israel. So that God would have mercy on those innocent people.